Alright, it's time to change the rear differential fluid on my 2009 Audi A5. It has 65,000 miles on it. I guarantee the original owner did not change that oil, so it's the same oil from 2009, so I'm going to get it done. Peace of mind, make sure it's done, won't have any issues. So things you're going to need: 10 millimeter hex. So I got a 3/8 drive one here. That is for the fill and drain plug. Thread seal for the drain plug. After you take it off, clean it up, put a little thread seal on there, guarantee it won't leak. 7590 gear oil, full synthetic, GO5 spec. And then this is just a little hand pump that you put in there and thread it on to pump the oil back in. I think this car takes a little over a quart or so. I just about 2 quarts just to be safe. Pair of gloves, stay nice and clean. And a drain pan to drain the old oil into. You'll also need a jack and a jack stand to jack up your car safely and put a stand underneath of it just to make sure you don't hurt yourself if the jack fails. So pretty basic, don't really need a whole lot to do it. 3/8 drive ratchet actually on here. So that's it, let's get to it. Super simple in the car, I'll show underneath. Alright, to make this super simple, what we have here is, here's your drain plug. Here's your fill plug right up here. This is on the passenger side of the car. And you always want to loosen up the fill plug first, because if for some reason that strips or does not come off and you already drained the fluid out, you're kind of SOL until you figure out how to get that off. So just in case there's any issues, remember, always loosen this first, take it off. Alright, that was fairly loose. Alright, see how easy this drain plug is. Alright, not really too bad. Actually, that does not look that bad. It's actually really clean. Maybe it was changed. But, you know what? For peace of mind, I'd rather do it myself. Alright, I'll put a little bit of thread seal on here, clean them up. Snug you're in there. I think this was probably like 22 foot-pounds or something, so. It's nice and snug. So this is super easy. You just thread this into the top of the bottle, and then you just pump it in here. Make sure you get the car high enough to do this. And when fluid starts coming out, that's when you have enough fluid in there. Yeah, see, now it's starting. There you go. So that is full. So tighten that back up. Clean up whatever mess you made. And you are done. That is how easy it is to change rear diff fluid on this car.